Hi, my name is Chris from GenTech, and I'm going to walk you through how to troubleshoot and install a syringe for a 7683 tower. So for installing a syringe, sometimes we come across problems where the syringes are kinking or not plunging right. So this could be caused from the needle syringe guide not installed properly. So in this case, this one's installed properly. Everything moves up and down freely. We can move this up and down freely. So I'm going to remove the syringe and show you what an improper syringe needle guide installation will look like. Sometimes these pop out of place or accidentally put in wrong, and it hangs up and it doesn't allow the syringe to go down all the way or even Z your syringe. So to remedy that problem, all you'd have to do is pull this out, place the rod up in the holder guide, and make sure that the flat of the needle syringe guide is riding with the rails. Set it in place for the brass part in the slots. And push it in place and check if you can move this up and down.